Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is paired and the watch has enough charge. This prevents interruptions. Open the Watch app and tap My Watch to access Faces. This is where Watch faces live and sync. Once done, make sure the watch is unlocked and on your wrist so previews update instantly. You're initiating change immediately because editing on the phone is faster. The app communicates settings to the watch, so make the changes here first. You next pick a face from Faces Gallery or tap the current face to customize. This determines layout and readout style. Tap Customize to edit elements. Swipe between layers to change color, hands, numerals, and select complications for info like activity, weather, or timer. Make small tweaks and watch the live preview. This shows how data fits the dial. Because complications and style affect readability, choose ones that prioritize. You finish by tapping Set as current face so changes sync to the watch immediately. This saves your configuration. Then look directly on the watch. Press the digital crown and long press the face to confirm layout or edit on device. If the new face doesn't appear, restart the watch and iPhone, then reopen Watch app to force sync. That clears communication hiccups. If problems persist, unpair and repair as a last resort, because pairing rebuilds the connection and restores sync integrity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.